Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Believe it or not, your diet actually plays a huge role in how you age. Don't wait until the last minute to start adding fibrous fruits and veggies to your diet, and don't shy away from healthy foods. Going the easier route to eat fast food or junk food will only take a toll on your body in the long run. Today, we're going to learn how to add years to your life by eating smarter. Let's dive into the lesson. Nicotinamide mononucleotide. Certain foods can actually slow the effects of Father Time. There's actually a compound in fresh fruits and vegetables which can boost your metabolism and improve your energy, called nicotinamide mononucleotide. Nicotinamide mononucleotide production decreases as we age, so it's best to eat fruits and vegetables that have this compound early on. It's unfeasible to look 20 years younger after eating a few avocados. Eating healthy foods ultimately helps the body from the inside out. If your insides are nourished and functioning optimally, you have a better chance of warding off illnesses, which can help you live longer. For your anti-aging diet, you should definitely include the following foods. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best oils you can use. Research studies have shown that olive oil has cancer-lowering properties, and it helps fight against heart disease. It's rich in antioxidants and has amazing polyphenols, which help prevent age-related diseases. B vitamin foods. B vitamins are crucial for maintaining energy levels. Vitamin B3, niacin, is actually a derivative of nicotinamide mononucleotide, which is the special anti-aging compound found in foods. Foods that are rich in B vitamins include mushrooms, fresh green tea, nuts, and seeds. Blueberries. Blueberries are a pretty awesome superfood. They're rich in antioxidants and compounds that help lower inflammation and decrease oxidative stress, which can lead to any number of age-related ailments. Omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3s are the keys to a longer and healthier life. Aging comes with inflammation, and omega-3 rich foods help combat that issue. The best omega-3 foods to eat include almonds, avocados, olive oil, and sprouted nuts and seeds. The Mediterranean diet. Lastly, studies show that eating a Mediterranean diet can be extremely beneficial for living a longer life. This diet, which consists of fresh fruits and vegetables, olive oil, nuts, beans, and healthy grains, can greatly benefit the health of your brain. Father Time stops for nobody, but eating the right foods can slow him down and help you live longer. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.